Alright, step 1. First, I take 3 jars and place them side by side. 1, 2, 3. Step 2. Then I put 1 pine cone in each jar. 1, 2, and 3. Step 3. Then I put hot water in one jar and cold water in another. Cold water. Then I put the lid on the cold water. One. So the lid's on the cold water. Hot water. Then I put the lid on the hot water one. Pine cone's kind of sticking out. Hot water. Then this pine cone is left for air. So I don't need to put I took out the lid, the circle part, so it can have enough air. So air. Step 4. Then I start the timer for 20 minutes. It can be a stopwatch, whatever you want. Alright, and the 20 minutes already started, so I will see y'all back in 20 minutes. Alright, and the 20 minutes are up. Alright, so step 5, I come back and see how long it took for them to open. But first, well, close. But first, I'm going to start with the air one. Didn't really do anything. It's a little broken because of I had to take it out of the small jar, but it didn't really do anything. Simple. Looks the same. Alright. Now I'm about to do the cold water. Ooh. Squeeze the water out. Ah, this hurts. Cold water hurts my hands a little. So, get some paper towels. You can see. Well, first if I dry it, ooh, it hurts badly. Thorns in it or something. But as you can see, it's still a little wet, but it's closed a little. Looks a little closed. Alright. Now it's time to open the hot water one. Ooh. Hot water one didn't do so well. Ooh, this one hurts worser. Hold on. Alright, now this is the cold water one. The cold water one, it doesn't really hurt now. I don't know why. But this one hurts the most. I don't think I can squeeze this. Ooh. It's dripping a little bit. You can see it has a little spikes. And it didn't really open that much. Only half of it did. So. Step 6. Lastly, I take a ruler or like a tape measure, whatever you want to call it, and measure how wide and long they are. So I'm going to start with the air pine cone. Alright. So the air pine cone is 6 centimeters wide. And then how long it is 11 and a half. 6 centimeters wide and 11.5 centimeters long. Now we're going to do the cold one. Cold one is only 3.5 centimeters wide and 10 centimeters long. Alright, that was the cold one. Now it's time for the hot one. Now the hot one is 4 centimeters wide and 12 centimeters long. Alright, step 7. Finally, I write down which one was bigger and taller. So, what I'm going to do next is I'm going to take my piece of paper and I'm going to write down which one was bigger, smaller, which one opened the most, which one closed the most, stuff like that. So, I will be back whenever I finish doing that. Alright, and I am done with step 7. That's all the steps I have. So I noticed that I noticed that my hypothesis was right, actually. Because my hypothesis said that if I put one pine cone in hot water and another in cold water, then the pine cone in the cold water jar will close the most. And it actually did. So I am done with my procedures and I will see you guys another time. Bye.